So many times in the house, your kitchen, you have this problem. The aluminum pots with two handles like this, after some time, the handle is broken. What then happens? Many a times, people throw this away. They'll be using it like this. After some time, the second one too, broken. Then they'll be using only pots. To carry this pot, then is a problem. You now be looking for napkin in the kitchen to hold it when it's very hot, fire, because the handles are no longer there. You want to solve that problem today? Don't skip any part of this video. Watch to the end so that you see what we can do, how easy it is to fix this. See? So, you want to fix this back, push it back into the hole. If it's not entering easily, what do? You get some pliers or pincers and then use it to close it up a little. Close it up. Close it up a little until it can enter. Then move it back to its position. Push it inside like this. Then once you punch it, want to use some punch on top here so that the rivets can hold it. Alternatively, if you have the riveting machine and the riveting pin, you will remove these two pins and then get riveting pins and the machine to rivet it. This is actually a riveting job from the factory. It was riveted, but now we don't have the riveting machine. What can you do? Simple hack that you can use is this. So you move it inside and punch it back using some hammer. Come here. Hold it. Hold the balls. Yes.